Now I'm going to use a magic to see it face just like this. Oh, I found it. Okay, now we got 129. Okay, use a magic to see its face just like this. Hello, number block fans. In today's video, we're going to explore our number block 121 to 130. Okay, the first character is 121. We built 121 into 11 by 11 square, which is the 11th member of the square club, and could split into 11 lots of football players. Square football players, perhaps loves to play with a square football anyways, because square scares of round things, Just anyways, we build into 11 by 11. And then the 21 blocks more wraps around the number block 100. So 100 plus 21 equals 121. Now we got 121. And then I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. We got the face for number block 121. And don't forget its number link. And this is our number block 121. Okay, the next character is 122. We built 122 by we built 100 blocks into 10 by 10 square. So we got 100. And then we add 20 light peach blocks more, which is at the top, which lays 10 blocks wide to make 120. And then I add 2 orange blocks more at the side corner at the right to make 122. Alright. Okay, now the number block 122 could split into 2 lots of 61s, but I want to make it cooler and better to make like a rock and roll band. So I'm going to use a magic and ta-da! Now I put like a rock and roll fans which loves to play rock and roll, and I put a number link, so that's our 122. The next character is 123. 123 I built just like before, but this time it has 3 yellow blocks, unlike 2 orange blocks. Well, number block 123 could also split into 3 lots of 41s. Well, the number block 41 is the 13th member of the Prime Club, which means that unlucky. But I don't want to make unlucky. I want to make it more famous and cooler than ones, which means that should have a tail, because to represent 13. But if I swap 13 to 31, looks like 31st October Halloween, which loves to go to do Halloweens and Halloween costumes and make it more scary, yeah. So we build just like that. And then we need our 3 yellow blocks more to make 100. Oh, wow, sorry for a bit clumsy. Anyways, we need to build it carefully. Now we build it like this. Okay, then we need to add 3 yellow blocks at the top at the corner to make 123. So we got 120 blocks. Okay, and then we need to add 3 yellow blocks more to make 123. Now here are the 3 yellow blocks. And then I'm going to use magic to see its face just like this. 123. So that's our number block 123. The next character is 124. 124 I built just like before, but this time it has 4 green blocks. 124 could also split into 4 lots of 31s. However, number block 31 is a calendar, but I don't want to make a calendar. I want to go into the old method, which means demons, So that's why I make the 31 divisors are demon. Okay, we got our number block 124. Okay, I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. Here's the face. And then we need our number link to make our number block 124. So this is our number block 124. The next character is 125. Well, I built 125 into 5 by 5 by 5 cube, because number block 125 is the fifth member of the cube club, not a square. Well, 125 could also split into 5 lots of 25s, which means number block 125 has spiky eyebrows just like 25. Okay, we need to build like this, and that's our number block 125. Okay, into 5 by 5 cube. Now I'm going to use a magic to see it face just like this. Here's the face. Now we got our number block 125 face. Put its numbering, so this is our number block 125. The next character is 126. We put 126 into 9 by 14 rectangle formation, because according to number block 14 times table, number block 126 splits into 9 lots of 14s. However, number block 126 wears explorer hat to represent 6 lots of 21s, because number block 126 could split into 6 lots of 21s. Also, according to 18 times table, number block 126 also splits into 7 lots of 18s. So this is our 126. Okay, I think I'm going to use again for my magic to see its face just like this. Here's the 126 face. And then we need to add the numbering. So we got our number block 126. Okay, the next character is our number block 127. 127 I built just like 126. This time it has one block left over, which means that 126 plus one block left over is 127. Well, 127 is the 31st member of the Prime Club, which means that she has the demon eyes. Or you can make your own calendar. Well, because the 31st member of the Prime Club, demon to represent 31st October, so that's our number block 127. Also, we need to use a magic to see its face just like this. There's the face. And then I need to attach its numbering, so we got our number block 127. The next character is 128. I built 128 into 8 by 16 rectangle formation, because number block 128 also in the 16 times table could also split into 16 lots of 8s or 8 lots of 16s, which is 16 times 8 equals 128. Number block 128 has Octoblock's eyes because he could also split into 16 lots of 8s. Alright, use the magic to see its face just like this. There's the face. And then I need a numbering because to signify its name, so here's our 128. The next character is 129. I did 129 just like 122, 123, 124. But this time it has 9 3-tones of gray blocks, which is more than those numbers. Oh, sorry. Wow. We need to build it carefully. Okay. Well, 129 is also made out of 3 lots of 43s. However, number block 43 is the 14th member of the Prime Club, which loves to skateboard. Well, because the 43 is the 14th member of the Prime Club. Also, it's the viral face. It's the visual face, which is not. It's not the official number block, but it's the viral face. But I know why too. Anyways, here the number block 129 is almost done. We need 3 blocks more to make 129. Wait, where's the dark gray? Oh, I found it. Okay, now we got 129. Okay, use the magic to see its face just like this. Here's the 129 face. a number link to signify its name, and that's our 129. And our last character is 130. 130 is made out of 10 lots of 13s, which I built is in 10 by 13 rectangle formation. According to Numberblock 13 times table, our number block 130 could split into 10 lots of 13s. Which is 10 times unlucky. I need to use some magic to see the face just like this. We got the face. Then we pop the numbering into it, and that's our 130. And also, he's very unlucky. Also, today's video is the end. I hope you guys enjoy our number block 121 to 130. See you again next time, fans. Bye bye.